In this lecture, we are going to install the Java in our machine. In order to check whether your machine has Java or not, go to the Windows and type command and open up the command prompt and just type Java C. If you got the message like Java is not recognized as internal or external command, then there is no Java in your machine. Now go to the Google and type Java JDK download and open up the first link, that is of Oracle, and go to the download section and click on Oracle JDK download. If you scroll a bit, you will see a list like this. Just click on the accept license agreement, and depending upon the operating system and the bit, you got to choose the respective option. I'm using the Windows with the 64-bit, so I'm going to download the JDK Windows 64_bin.exe. So click on download. If you don't know your operating system bit, then go to the computer and right click on this PC and go to the properties. And mine one is Windows with operating system 64-bit. And I'm gonna pause this video until our download is finished. And here is our Java JDK. So let me double click on that. Click next and leave everything as default and click next. And here we have installed our Java. So let me close that. Now let's go to my computer and go to C, go to program files, and then you will see the folder called Java. Let's go inside the bin and we need this file. So let me copy this and let's go to this PC and go to properties and go to the advanced system settings and click on the environment variable and go to the system variables and in the path and click on edit, and now click on the new and copy that path in here. Okay, so click OK and hit OK and hit OK once again. Now go to the command prompt and type Java C. If you see the instruction like this, then congratulations, Java is installed on your machine. If you have any problem during the installation, then do let me know in the comment. And see you in the next part.